few little mechanical issues here on board, keeping the engine running. Alright, the big noise is coming from the Devil's Garden. Can't quite make out who it is from there. Looks like old mate in the 45 there. Is it old mate cover? It's old mate. He's working on the back of the ear of it now. You can tell the line up. We're in a bit going on here. It looks like it could be good for them. We'll see how they go. Haven't seen this before, so let's drop and reverse. So looks like we're going to successfully get a bit of a drop off there on the left-hand side for him. So we'll see how that all works out for him. Certainly will be feeling rather interesting from there if he gets a bit buried out. Both sitters there are working hard earning the money. Going to have to get a little bit of a punch to clear the belly. Passenger's tires do all the work at this point. Still standing out. Some of the bigger, wider trucks are really going to struggle with this bonus line. Yeah, I can't see somebody like Steve Squeaky actually fitting in there. This for the marshals, cross marshals. Once the point's been knocked off, that's your bonus line 10 start. The boys are still struggling to get onto this rock. That's back now. Right, that was good. Considering they're going to load, boys going to drive it down. Nicely done. Very controlled drive this week. Yeah, they're doing well. Big drop off of 80-point marker though.
about you, not to you. Old mate's having a few problems up there with Joy Baker. Okay, back on the mini ramp. Just getting the staging marshal to go through the rules and signing over the vehicle and all indemnity of possible ownership of this vehicle if it all turns that way. Alright boys, taking care of the paperwork now, receiving their final instructions from the stage manager. Window that's in place. Boys have formulated a plan. Look forward to seeing how they go. Okay, now on the frame twister, Rick. First car I've seen come over the back of the modified bonus line. Yeah, that's right. Michael Di Pasquale, Team Anabolic. Here for his 11th crack at the event and not going anywhere at this point. Okay, Team APW are on the way up the back here now. Following around, easy 10 points for them. They should have no problem to get down to at least the 30 point mark, but we'll follow them. Managing to find some traction and hit reverse. Interesting to see what he chooses to do from here, whether he backs out of it or quits. He looked fairly committed just a couple of moments earlier. Looks like he's going to line himself up for another go down there. Yeah, here he goes. He's going to want to go with a bit of momentum so he doesn't belly out. No, it looks like he might be reversing it off. Should be a lot of hard mouth action backing off there on the back of that rock there to take the lead off there and finish the course. Down at 30 point mark, APW making good progress. No major issues so far for them boys. Looks like there's plenty to do down there for the kids as well. All the jumping castles were inflated and Rick was telling me before he's going to go down and give him a red hot go later on the Saturday.
Whether you're a tourer or a tough truck competitor, you should never compromise on quality when it comes to your four-wheel drive suspension. For more than 28 years, Tough Dog Suspension have been making tracks across the world. Where will your tracks take you?
How does the sky work, ramp work, Rick? Okay, so what we have down there, Stuart, is a 30-degree ramp. The stage marshals will take a measurement of the wheelbase of the vehicle. They'll send the vehicle up. All three wheels left on the ground need to remain on the ground. Well, either the front or the rear can be driven up the ramp. Once it's up there, they'll then take a measurement, do a quick calculation and give you a score out of 1,000. So a score of 1,000 means that you've driven your wheelbase in terms of wheel travel. Anything over that is pretty spectacular. We'll see a few vehicles here go well in excess of 1,500 as an RTI, which is just insane. A couple of vehicles to watch. Team Anabolic, Team APW, Team Roadrunner, all sporting hydraulic active suspension, or race jackers, which means that the guys can control the rock on the fly. Rock packing. I know these boys and they're good drivers, they'll probably go around me. duty, that's for sure here. Team OPW. No stress, no rushing. That's what comes with seasoned campaigners. There's a lot of courses ahead of them this weekend, and they've take each one individually and take their time. Vehicle preservation is part of the strategy. Alright, back to the action now on the Snake Racing Frame Twister Team Outlaws 4x4. We saw Big Tom last night on the start line of Mud Race Revenge proposed to his now fiance. That was a pretty special one. That's a first. Certainly is. Alright, boys gonna go for the bonus line at the back of the Uber. See what they're gonna do there. A little bit bigger vehicle than the last Zook, but also have a little bit more hardware on board, so they might get it done. Team OPW now getting themselves sorted here to have a crack at the bonus points on offer at the Performance Metals Mini Uber. Got our Manitou making its way into the 4x4 accessory store Jawbreaker. Very, very tight up the back of here, Rick. The deviants that set this course have certainly made it difficult for the boys. That's what we like to see. Those of you at the bottom of the mini river that can't see, there's two cones. You can see one, there's another one they're going to negotiate, which is a little bit more in than the one you can see. Now it's pulling him up, trying to get him back online here. Which is good, have a clean drive here. Starting to see some of that outrageous wheel travel coming into play.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah. Sorry. Another one.
Dave just jacking up the wheel for a bit of belly clearance. Suspension back to normal ride height. You see the rear end coming down there. Beautifully done. Nice drive that. Nice line there, Dave, right on the edge on the passenger side. And just another couple of millimetres over to the left and he could have been all over. Getting some angle on now. Looking for traction in the front right hand side. It's not coming. Pops the front up. Racejack is coming into play, flirting with disaster. Takes a bunting penalty, but he's out. Look there for the boys, cuts themselves penalty point there at the last mark on the left, but nice drive and bonus line, so very tunable. Yeah, just unlucky at the end there. Well, you say some of these some of these rocks that move around and we like to call floaters, making things difficult, making it very unpredictable. On the Snake Racing Flame Twister. Big Tom. All the way from WA, 75 series. Making plenty of noise over there. Well, first week we've seen at the 80-point marker on the Mickey Thompson Devil's Marbles. Absolutely no fear. He has popped the beat on the front, however. Front passenger side, very well looking the right of that vehicle. Certainly going to make it hard for him to complete this course. Flame Twister, Big Tom is up and over. But front flat's caught him out. It's gone over on that side. Full points for effort though. Waiting patiently at the top of the 4x4 accessory store. Jawbreaker is Team Romlux. They'll be next up there. Now it's on its way into the Mickey Thompson Devil's Marbles. Plenty of C&D down at Exhibitors Alley this weekend. Of course, there is the official 2015 Tough Dog Tough Truck merchandise range. Great range of hoodies, shirts, polos, and heaps of other gear. Make sure you get down there and grab your size before they sell out. Next door, the boys at Tough Dog have also got a special offer this weekend, Tapper.
Now, if you didn't make it to the 2015 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge, this is a small slice of what you've been missing. Family entertainment, an atmosphere of festivity out through that section. And then up through here, we've got non-stop action on the stages all weekend. Tough Dogs Tough Truck Challenge. You've got to be here for 2016. Check the Tough Truck website and make sure you grab yourself some of the merchandise while you're there.